you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Be Euphoria, where there's all things beauty, mind, and spirit. I just made that up, but it sounded good. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this silky bone straight hair, pretty much how I went from curly to straight. And I just wanted to see how long my hair got. Not that much longer, but I keep cutting it as well. It's okay, it's a process, it's growing. So if you're interested to see how I got my hair from curly to this bone straight silky hair, then stay tuned and keep on watching to the end of this video. Also, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Alright guys, so I am starting off on an old wash and go and just taking it out of my ponytail. And I am starting off with doing a fresh wash with this Creme of Nature sulfate-free shampoo. After I am done shampooing, I am been using It's a 10 Silk Miracle Deep Conditioner. Y'all, this conditioner made my hair feel so soft, and I definitely think it's the reason why I have these salon results. Next, I'm just gonna detangle with my white tooth comb. Now, when I am detangling, I do start from the bottom and work my way up. So, ladies, I'm pretty sure you know this by now, but make sure when you are detangling your hair that you at least do a finger separation and then work your way up with the comb. I did also just separate where my hair was already detangled, and I just did a little twist to the side. Once I am done, I just pull it all back into a bun and let this sit for 10 minutes underneath the hooded dryer. Once I am done, I'm going to go ahead and grab my It's a 10 leave-in conditioner. This stuff is the truth to getting a good blowout. You want to make sure your hair is definitely towel dried before applying this. So once my hair is, as dry as I can get it with a towel, I just spray this all over my head and just make sure it's evenly distributed, especially on my ends. Once I've distributed this It's a 10 leave-in conditioner all over my head, I also take my detangling brush and I brush my hair. And then I'm using this method, the stretching method, to blow dry my hair. This saves the blow drying time. I kid you not, this has saved me so much time, and it's the reason why I'm able to, finish my hair in under an hour, or about an hour, is doing the stretching method before I go in with my Denman brush to finish the blow dry. So as you can see, I'm just going in with my Denman brush now and straightening and smoothing out this blow dry. It's important to get your hair as straight as possible before going in with your flat iron. So yeah guys, I am just going to finish doing this blow dry, and yeah, we'll get to the straightening process in a second. Also to mention, I do use two different brushes. I do not use my Denman brush to detangle my hair. I use a detangling brush. Denman brush and detangling brush are two different things in my opinion. A Denman brush helps to get your hair smooth, whereas a detangling brush, it detangles your hair. Now you want to make sure your blow dry is smooth, y'all. This blow dry, I actually wouldn't mind wearing my hair like this, to be honest. So then I go in with my Originals Coconut Shine Thermal Protectant Oil, and I just smooth that throughout my ends and throughout my hair just to protect my hair from heat damage, and so I have that nice shine. Then I go in with very, very small sections with my flat iron, and I'm also using a heat resistant comb. So with my flat iron, I do like to, I I don't know how to describe this. I touch on my roots a few times to make sure my roots are very smooth and there's no puffiness or it's not curly. That is like the most important part to a silk press or a smooth flat iron to me. It's just making sure that your roots are smooth. And then I just pass through one time doing the chase method with my comb. So I'll repeat that, a few more times. So like I said, I get really close to my roots. I touch there for a hot second just to make sure it's smooth. And then I go in and pass one time with the chase method with my heat resistant comb. And you guys, I don't normally do voiceovers, so please bear with me. Again, ladies, one time. I'm just gonna speed this process up, but as you can see, I'm just repeating the same thing over and over. I touch my roots a few times to make sure that the roots are smooth, and then I go in with my comb and pass through with the chasing method one time. Alright guys, so I am all done. I then just go back in with my oil to lay down any flyaways and to just make sure I have nice extra shine and no frizz. Alright y'all, this is the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something new. Comment down below
what you may want to see me do next. This was kind of like a spontaneous thing. Woke up and just decided to straighten my hair and record it just to see, you know, how long it got, and I was just being nosy with my hair. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and make sure you don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below.